guys, welcome on board. It's Ken Dagbola here. So for this tutorial, I'll be teaching us how to create a YouTube outro video. So let's get started. So we'll be picking our background. We'll be picking a black background. Then we're going to be increasing the duration to 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Yes, it's done. So after that, we're going to be importing a layer, in which I'll be giving us is a picture of a car, Ferrari precisely. So the next thing you're supposed to do is to expand it to the full size of the screen. But instead of using this, we can also use our split screen. That's why it's a layer, as you can see. If I want it to go back, then if I want it expand, so I increase duration also to 30 seconds. 30 seconds. So then I click on the car again. Then I go to my alpha opacity. Then I reduce it. Let's pick. It's too. It's okay like this. Let's use it 40. Yeah, 40 is okay, 41 is okay. Then after that, we're going to be putting another layer, in which I'll be giving you also. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Also the same thing, the same process you passed in the beginning. Go to our split screen, then expand it also. So this is how it will actually look like. So after this, we're going to be importing another layer. So it's a motion layer actually. This is it. So this is right here. Then we move to our blending. Click on screen, as you can see. Then after that, we go back, then go to alpha opacity, then reduce also. So this is what this actually look like, as you can see. But for now, we'll be increasing we'll be raising it up a little bit to fit in our screen very well, so it will be in the middle. Yeah, I think we are good to go with that. Yeah, so let's increase duration. This also to 30 seconds. Okay. And if you also wish to adjust it a little bit, also can you actually raise it a little bit to make it show, as you can see. But the frame is still there, so we have to reduce it. So that's the essence of using an alpha opacity. So reduce it back. Let's do 60 or 59. Okay. Go. It's still showing also. Yeah, I have to edit it a little bit. Let me go for 40 or 40. I guess you can see very well also. So it depends on how you want it, because for me I prefer it's not really okay for now, so I return it back to 51. Yeah, I think it's okay now. So we're going to be inputting our text. We'll be using thanks. we bring it up here, then change our font. We'll be using a bold font. This is Noto San Black Italy. So we bold it to in the middle, then we duplicate so that we won't go back and be choosing another text again. Duplicate instead of that, then we'll bring it downward and reduce it. So are we changing it now to previous video? This is how a YouTube outro video looks like. Previous video, as you can see. So I enlarged it a little bit, undo it, then I duplicate again, and I bring it here. So I'm just be changing the first one to random video. Random video. Yes. So the next thing is also bring subscribe. I duplicate again. Bring subscribe to this side. Reduce it a little bit. Alright, subscribe. Subscribe, that's it. Yeah. So we go back to our layer and go to media again, and pick up a video that we'll be using. So where can I get a video right now? Okay, let me sum up this video that I have. As you can see, this video is not really full. So but let's choose another video to keep up the stress of editing. Okay, let's use this. Yeah. So if we're going up to crop, you crop it by the right, crop it by the left, then bring it up, bring it down. What we're looking for is to blend it to the frame over here. So we crop again. As you can see, we're still editing. So we crop again. So we are still editing again. It remains small. Again, open it here. Just to fit in the frame. Yeah, I think this is okay now. And for the second one, we bring out another video. Can you bring this in? Okay. So we crop again. So we crop and make sure we are editing right to avoid being stressed out and checking again. Yeah, I think this is okay too. So the next thing we're supposed to do right now is to bring out our sticker, and that is subscribe, but I don't think I have it right here. Let me check. I don't think I have it right here. I don't have it right here. So if I actually have it, I will have just click on the subscribe, on the bell, and put it around the subscribe side, then input it. So it's going to be like that. as you can see. So let's play it. Let me increase all the duration and play it for you and see how it looks like. So this is how a YouTube outro look like. Okay, we have short video here, so let me just play like that. Okay, before we play it, let me add a background music. You can actually download the music from your access store. All this music here are downloaded from my access store. So let me just use one of it. Let me use this one. Is adding. You can also determine how it comes in. Like if this previous video won't it come in late, we can actually drag it backward like this. So this random will come in before it, and also we can determine anything we want. If it wants to come in late, also we can drag it back, we can put it forward. So that's how it looks like. Yeah, it looks like. So as you can see now, let me show it very well. This is how it comes in. You can drag this forward, so it's coming in late. You can drag it back. This one also random video, you can drag it. So it's follow the system to play. Thanks for watching. Comes first, previous videos come next, random video come, then subscribe. So I can do it anyhow I want, but for this tutorial I'll just be making it come in at the same time. Thanks for watching, guys.